Another thing that's really evolved for me over the years, and this technique has really helped it, is my note choice. And it's probably due to listening to a lot of people like Alan Holdsworth, Scott Henderson, a lot of fusion players, and actually primarily guitarists that are probably influenced by horn lines. I got it on the back end, like most guys. Most of the guys I listen to are influenced by horn players, and I'm influenced by guitarists who are influenced by horn players. So that's probably just standard territory for the legato technique, I guess. But when I generally play over something like just a straight A chord, like an Mixolydian sort of thing, I never limit myself to just the notes in that scale. I never stick always around. What I do is I incorporate my little chromatic concept, and it's got to the point where now it isn't always 4 semitones in a row or something like that. It's busted up to the point where it's pretty much just random. So if I was going to play a line like, what I would probably do is just play, instead of playing, I would probably just play. So instead of getting, we get, it sounds really, I like that because it sounds really out to play that E flat, and it, I like the sound of that. So, and what I do is apply that, lots of flat 5s, things like that. And when you play them up to tempo, they have a nice flowing feel to them. And also, another thought process I use over static chord changes, like if you were just playing over that A7 sort of vibe there, a lot of times I'll base my ideas around other chords. I would think over that, if I was just playing over that for infinite amounts of time, what I would do is base some of my ideas around G major arpeggios. So I'd be playing. And making a conscious effort to target those notes so that it's a little more than obvious that it sounds like I'm superimposing another chord over the top. Of course, the way I do it mightn't be that obvious, like that I'm just playing a... I would mix them in a lot more, but that's definitely the idea. Also, D major works great. So it's great. It really colors up the sound a lot, and plus it gives you somewhere to go, because I've been in situations where you've had like a 1-chord vamp going on for a long time, and you've really got to start to explore some new territory. Otherwise, you'll drive yourself insane.